How to fix USB drive not recognized. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this issue. Without any further ado, let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your settings menu. And after opening up your settings, you just want to check if there are any device connected. So you can find them on the devices option under Bluetooth and devices. So if you have connected any device, it will show up right here. If you don't see it, what you can do is go to Device Manager and hit Enter. Now your Device Manager will pop up on your screen. All you need to do here is find the USB controllers, click on the drop down, and find the controller that's causing the issue. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. Do the same thing for all of these things. And once you update all three, you should be good to go. What you can do next is try to disable these devices or uninstall them. And once you uninstall these devices, you can restart them once again and your PC will automatically install them again. After that, try inserting your USB device and see if it recognizes it. The next step you can do is go ahead and open up your control panel, search for control panel right here, and make sure that your VY category is set to large icons. Then find the power options here. From here, click on Change Plan Settings, and then change Advanced Power Settings. Now this pop-up will appear on your screen. From here, you're going to find USB Settings. Click on it, and click on USB Selective Suspend Settings. And if this is enabled, just go ahead and make sure to disable both of these, and then click on OK. After that, give your PC a restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.